Hey guys, in this video we will see how can we do some configurations in launch so that we can tag download link. But this time I have recorded earlier video as well for the same scenario, but this time we are going to use mouse click event that we have in core extension. So what we are going to do is in report suite through admin console, we are going to add a EVAR. We are going to create a rule in launch. We'll build the library and finally we'll test the tags. So the very first thing is I will just move on to the analytics, Adobe Analytics side, and in admin we have to go to our report suite and then edit settings, conversion and conversion variables, and we'll land on this screen. For this purpose, what I have done, I have just enabled EVAR 25. So this is my EVAR 25. I have just enabled it, and I have also given it a name so that I can remember it. Download EVAR 25, and allocation is the most recent, and expiration is on each visit. So this is what I have done, and then I have just saved this configuration. Let's see what is written in the HTML. So in HTML, I'm going to track this. Basically, this is a PDF which I'm going to download. So I have an anchor tag and this demo.pdf I have, and then this click event basically I need to track. Now I will go to Adobe Launch, and I'm inside my property, and then I have created a rule. Let's see what is written inside the rule. So this is the rule, and click event is the mouse click. Event type is mouse click, and yeah, here what I have selected is a specific element, and there is something called CSS selector. So what I'm going to track is within anchor tag, if there is any href which is ending with .pdf. So in our case, it's an anchor tag, and its ending href is ending with .pdf. Okay, so it's a CSS selector. We could have like other type of tracking as well, as in this is just one example. And this checkbox I have selected so that there will be a delay once I click on it, and we can track it. Basically the beacon can be sent. So this checkbox, and this is in milliseconds delay. Okay, and then actions. In actions, what I have done, first thing is the clear variables. The second action is the set variables, in which the newly added event, which is EVAR 25, that download EVAR 25, and I'm just printing this dot text. This dot text is nothing but this will be this whole anchor tag, since I'm tracking this on click event. So text will be this download PDF. And then I'm finally sending the beacon. So here I have selected Adobe Analytics and beacon, and as .tl event, and link type will be download link. I have selected download link, and then again name will be this dot text again. Okay. So I have already done it, but remember to take the latest changes in your publishing library, and just accept all the changes, just review them. So since I have not updated anything, that's why it's showing no changes found, but just make sure you build the library again, then save for build for deployment. Okay, after this this page I'm going to open. So I'll just refresh this page, and I will also open my Cloud Debugger. Let me just refresh the page, and let me just clear all the requests. Now I'm going to click on download PDF, and if you see the request, So first thing is the link type is the download type, because we have a specified download type. And keyword 25 is also coming, since we have taken this dot text, so that's why it's taking download PDF as text, this one. So this is working. So this is how, as in using click event, we can track a particular tag click. It's an href tag. In my next video, I will explain how can we track if there is a button click event. Similar this way, I will just explain it. Thank you so much for watching.